Hi A-Listas, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome! I've always been intrigued with the idea of doing a roller set, but I've never really had any successful ones. So when I saw this, I thought it might be a chance to redeem myself. I got them off Amazon. I will leave a link below if you're interested in getting them. And they work sort of like this. You just pull it open, roll your hair in between the middle there, and then easy peasy snap it short on your hair. Now there's one thing you need to do for me, and that's to join the A-list. How do I join the A-list, I hear you say? Well, all you have to do is click on that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you'll be added to the A-list and get notified every single time I upload a new video, so you never miss a thing like a true A-lister. With that said, if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Let's do this. Pray for me. Today I have co-washed my hair, I deep conditioned it, and I also did a rice water treatment. If you don't know, I am doing a rice water challenge. I just completed my first month and that video will be going live tonight. I will leave a link to it here. Now it's just ready for me to style my hair. I will be using the Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream as my styler today. And as usual, my ride or die gel, the Wetline Xtreme Gel as well. Because I've just found that if I want any style to last more than a day, especially when it comes to curls in my hair, it needs a little bit of help. It needs some type of holding agent, and there are not very many that will hold my hair for more than a day plus. This has proven itself to me that it can hold my hair in a style for days or several days. So I'm not doing the style without this gel. So there we go. I'm using this gel. It's done. That's what's happening. I've got my trusty cape on to protect my clothing. Let's do it. There's different sizes in the box. There's a big, larger size and a smaller size. So they kind of look like that, and you can see that they have little ventilation holes in the middle of them, and I think that's quite good because that will help your hair dry quicker. So I'm hopefully gonna have a good roller set today for date night later on today. Pray for me, guys, pray for me. I don't want to look a mess. I'm gonna take those size sections, smaller sections, just so I think I give my hair the best chance of having a good roller set. Felicia Leatherwood brush to detangle today. You can check out my review on this brush here. I'm gonna put some Twist and Shout cream on there, get some Wetline gel. There's two different ways of doing this. You can start from the root and work your way to the top, or you can start from the top and wind your hair around the spoolie. I think I'm gonna try that method just so I can get a better grip on my roots, or a better stretch on my roots, I'm thinking. So I'm just going to wrap my hair around the spoolie like that. I'm gonna put some gel on the end, right on the tip there. Seems quite secure. Hopefully this comes out well.
2 hours later.
Last section. Go to detangle. Gel. At the base of the hair, I'm just going to wrap it like this, and I'm smoothing as I'm wrapping, and just smooth the ends and then cap it up like that. And that's it, guys. So now that all the rollers in my head, I'm going to jump under the dryer right now, and I'll be back to show you the results. So it's actually the next day. I grossly overestimated how long it was going to take me to put these in. Oh gosh, it reminded me why I hate doing styles like this. They are so time consuming. It took me about 2 hours to put these in, and I used a total of 47 of them. But actually, I'm quite pleased that I didn't take them out yesterday, because essentially I was able to go to bed in them, and boy was I surprised. They were really comfortable to sleep in. Basically, on a scale of 1 to 10 in terms of comfort, I would say 1 being the most uncomfortable, 10 being the most comfortable. I would say they range about a 8 on that scale. They're pretty good. I did go for date night. Yes, I did go for date night with these in my head. I just told my husband to imagine me as a sexy out of space alien throughout the date, and I wore a beanie hat. You want to see what that looks like? Okay, I'll show you what that looks like. So I went out on date night. We're essentially looking like this. So I guess another plus about these rollers is that you can wear a beanie hat or a hat on them quite easily. So that's what, it's just to see the results now. Hopefully the curls came out great. I'm actually on my way out to get my eyebrows microbladed. Let me know if you would like to see, you know, how that works out for me. I had my eyebrows microbladed about a year ago, and you kind of have to get it touched up every year. So this year I'm going to have them touched up. Otherwise I have pretty much not, my brows are nothing to speak of. Yeah, my brows, yeah. Thank God for microblading. This is the best thing ever. This is impressive. Whoa, I haven't seen my hair in curls like this in forever, but it's pretty though. That's why people put the hard work in, because you get pretty curls. Some of it isn't dry. This isn't dry. Some of it isn't dry. That's the worst with styles like this. If you pull them out early and they don't really dry, it's like, no, that was not worth doing. I've been under the dryer for 30 minutes. I hope this is dry. I have some place to be. Pray for me. Pray for your sister. So it seems like you can just pull these out, just roll them out of your hair, getting some nice coils. Some of these are not quite dry yet, so I'm gonna put them back. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Guys, if you do use gel when you're doing your sets, do not use too much, otherwise you get white flakes. So be careful when using gel. It's so funny, my work area looks like a pink candy land. Oh my goodness. See, don't do that. Don't be like me and do that. Don't use too much gel. I should probably try and separate. Start from the back. So curls. This is probably the most successful roller set I've ever done, where I can separate the curls. It looks like it's gonna last, and you know, it looks shiny. I can feel the hold from the gel. You know, when it comes to hold, my hair just likes gel for hold. I'm going to pick my roots. I'm gonna try not to mess with the curls too much. I do think this is amazing about natural hair though, that you can just mold it into pretty much whatever. You like. I'm gonna tame my edges. I am so glad that I have somewhere to go today, because I think this looks fantastic. Pro tip, make sure your hands are very dry, not wet at all, not humid, very dry, or put some oil on them when you are going to separate your hair. But yes, this is the final result, guys. So I am off to get my eyebrows microbladed. If you like this video, don't forget to click that like button, click that subscribe button and notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Today we are sharing this video with best friends. Make sure you share this video with your best friend, and they have to share with their best friend. That's how it goes. If you truly love somebody, make sure you share this video with your best friend. Till the next one, guys. No chill. I have no chill.